In this clip, we're going to talk about tightening down of our fastener bolts for our upper and lower ball joints and installation of our cotter pins. I'm going to set my cotter pins aside for a moment. We have two different size sockets that work. Yours may be identical. It depends on the specific make and model. Take and insert the socket in my 1/2 inch drive ratchet and go ahead and tighten it down. It's going to be better on a front end component to get the cotter pin hole to line up if you go tighter than looser. It's pretty tight there. We go ahead and try and slip my cotter pin in and see if I got my holes lined up. And I do. As you can see here, I have the hole in the ball joint stud lined up with a notch in the castle nut. I'm going to take and slide my cotter pin through there. Since you guys can get a good view of this one, I'm going to show you how to finish off your cotter pin job. What we're going to do is take and bend down both of the tabs and fold them up underneath the ball joint stud. Just like so. That's a safety device. It's like the pin on a grenade. You have to intentionally remove it before it will come loose. I'm going to go ahead and tighten up my upper ball joint. It's exactly the same procedure as the lower one. You may have to do a little tweaking to get your cotter pin to seat. All right, got my cotter pin seated. What I'm going to do is use a screwdriver just because I don't have a good leverage point to bend my tabs down. I'm going to slip my screwdriver in there and pry down on it to bend the tabs. And that is the proper way to tighten down your vehicle's ball joints and install your cotter pins.